Hey, thank you so much for tuning in to a new episode of Cut to Movies with Vivek and Viru. Just before we dive in, we'd like to give you a disclaimer that this episode is filled with spoilers. So please do watch the film first.
Hello and welcome to the Silver Jubilee episode. Vivek, Silver Jubilee, 25th episode of Cut to with Vivek and Viru. And today we are in the US of A. Vivek, tell us about this film.
Yeah, what a movie to choose for a Silver Jubilee. It's called In the Heights.
Height हो गया हमारा Silver Jubilee.
हाँ, we've scaled new heights.
New
Yeah.
heights.
So we discuss In the Heights, which is based on Lin-Manuel Miranda's musical with its foot-tapping songs, vibrant colors. Director John M. Chu, you would remember him from the Crazy Rich Asians fame. He brings to us a movie that has so much emotions. It has parental sacrifices, following your dreams, the importance of being rooted, or even singing and dancing your heart out on the street. This movie has something for everyone. What did you think of it, Vidu?
It was a little tough to watch in like after half an hour for me. I don't know why. वो गाने yeah, they were fun songs, they were really energetically performed and all of that, but मेरे को ना थोड़ा सा overdose हो रहा था. Like I loved the other French one that we watched. उसका charm ही अलग था. That was very charming. यहाँ पे I was not having fun. In fact, बहुत struggle करके मैं आगे बढ़ रहा था. But I think towards the end, I started it kind of gripped me again when he was like about to go and go to like the place that he wanted to go. He back to his country to set up his shack. And वो सब जो था वहां से वो चालू होता है. And the lady who takes care of him, she passes away. तो वो सब जो पार्ट था, एंड का पार्ट, that portion I really liked that the film picked up then. But initially I was like struggling.
It's interesting you say that, because a lot of people felt that way. If I read a lot of users' comments, and especially most of those are people who have seen the play in the theater as an on stage first, and then when they see the movie, they are not really impressed. The theatrical play did not have as much dialogue that the movie has. It is more sing-song, it is more umbrellas of Cherbourg, right? That's why I think you felt that difference. And you're right. I mean, it does feel like a stretch in the start because you're like, oh, it's a musical, or is it not? Because most of the beginning is not a song, and then it's a lot of dialogue. It's a lot of hoes and hums, and only then like songs kind of keep coming in the middle. So yeah, I get that. When Hamilton had released, which is also Lin-Manuel Miranda's piece, after that, I had seen a video on YouTube, which was the entire show of In the Heights. I don't think it's available right now. I really, really liked it. And then at that point of time...
Watched the stage version as well.
Yeah, but it was like a YouTube video, Viru. So it was not like the best of quality. It was not like the Hamilton quality on Hotstar. So when I watched the movie, yeah, I get it. I agree that I am completely biased because it's a Lin-Manuel Miranda musical.
I personally loved Hamilton. I mean, ek to wo the use of hip hop and that was like mind blowing. In fact, the words, obviously the genre is completely different. Ye wala is, it's kind of showing the struggles of a lot of characters. सबका अलग-अलग story है, right? Because they are different. किसी का अलग struggle है, किसी का एक struggle है कि मेरे को ना अपने कंट्री में जाके एक चालू करना है शॉप, और मैं यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा शॉप चला रहा हूँ, राइट? मेरे को वहां पे एकदम आलीशान जिंदगी जीनी है, यहाँ पे क्या मतलब ठोकरे खा रहा हूँ मैं. दूसरा there is another character who has like a completely different thing कि the community expects so much from me, but now I am letting them down. Then there is another character who has another struggle of I have an ambition कि मैं एक बहुत बड़ी आर्टिस्ट हूँ लेकिन मैं एक छोटे से सालों में काम कर रही हूँ. Like
Yeah.
there are so many. So I think it was like too much for me. It was like सबका problems दिख रहा है. Maybe it would have been focused on one person and उसके peripheral characters का कुछ होता तो it would have been better because again this was also trying to be a representative of all South American nations, right? The people from all South American nations in America. Like एक
Right.
कोई पोर्टो रिको से है तो कोई
Right.
एक चिली से है सबका
Yeah.
अलग अलग है right they are bound by one language but and similar culture but they are from different nations and सबका वो representation kind of करने का कोशिश किया and so there are too many things happening for me.
I think the central arc of the story is between is Usnavi's dream to move to South America from where he was living, but yeah, I mean there are a lot of other parallel cues or characters that kind of come into play. His love interest, his best friend, and that person's love interest, and then his caretaker and the community in itself. But for me, I think what made it interesting is that the rich culture that came about, and just in general the immigrant stories for me
Right.
like make
Right.
for a really interesting story arc. Famous directors like Coppola with Godfather, or Sergio Leone for Once Upon a Time in America, or Scorsese for Goodfellas or Departed. Like if you see all of the stories of those characters are all immigrants who have moved from Italy to America with the Great American Dream, and how they kind of moved about
Correct.
in their lives. Of course, they're all same gangster genre films, but still the immigrant story is something that I mean, even if we see the anti-hero films like Nagan or any other, they're all kind of immigrant stories in a way, you know.
Right.
So I really like that aspect of the whole
नहीं,
immigrant
absolutely.
story.
I think that would have been like the best thing. Like वो अगर वो that was about the community and वैसा कुछ angle होता तो that would have been great because I also learned the fact that ये Washington Heights जो है that is the place where this community from
Yeah.
South American nations is the strongest, right? And I
Yeah.
think Lin-Manuel Miranda is also from Puerto Rico or some
Yeah.
मतलब his
Yeah.
mother or someone is from
Yeah.
that place.
Yeah.
And so that's why he understands that place really well and he's brought out the nuances and I think he's also based it in reality कि वो जब actually में वहाँ पे blackout हुआ था तो यहाँ पे he's kept it in that time zone. He's
Yeah.
kept it and he's shown us a glimpse of that Washington Heights and how
Yeah.
people are there. There are some that are caricaturish. ऐसे South American character जो बनाते हैं जो थोड़ा सा over the top होते हैं and एकदम
Yeah. Yeah.
वो ओवर द टॉप बात कर वैसे टाइप का बताए तो एक दो कैरेक्टर वैसे हैं इट्स फाइन यू गेट अ टेस्ट ऑफ ऑल काइंड्स
Yeah.
बट या इट वाज फन एंड द फैक्ट दैट वो कम्युनिटी एक साथ करते हैं एंड हाउ इन द बैक alley everyone sits when it's like a hot summer day or when they come together for some community activity, right? They sell
Yeah.
stuff together, parties करते हैं एक साथ सब कुछ करते हैं so that part was very interesting and the
Yeah.
and that lady जो उनकी जो caretaker who's taken care of a lot of people there, right? That old lady who doesn't have her own family but has taken care of the entire community. वो aspect भी बहुत अच्छा लगा. Like everyone comes together at her home and has food and comes together for different things. So those things were really nice. I liked them really well.
Yeah. Even the casting, no, like all of the people, the entire cast actually they did belong to that same community that they were
Absolutely.
representing
ऐसा
on
नहीं था
screen.
कि कोई किसी को पकड़ा और उसको थोड़ा सा ब्राउन फेस करके कर दिया था.
Yeah.
Thankfully we have moved away from that. At least in the US,
like-
not in India, but
Yeah. Especially, I think Lin-Manuel is known even after Hamilton and all of that. These stories were out that he hires people from uh, communities that can kind of actually, like immigrants, mostly immigrants, whether they are black, South Americans, Puerto Ricans, to give them the exposure. And there are a lot of people who are known from that community to do the same. Like directors like Cuarón is there,
Right.
Alejandro González Iñárritu or Guillermo del Toro. All of these people, even on their sets, they are known to kind of hire people from their own community so that they get more representation within that particular space. I think that's really, really interesting.
या एब्सोल्युटली इनफैक्ट एक वो जो उसका लव इंटरेस्ट वाली लड़की थी ना, वो तो
हाँ.
मुझे लगा इंडियन है यार. पहले तो मेरे को लगा ये तो कि एकदम जानी पहचानी लग रही है, तो ये भूमि पेडनेकर टाइप का उसका थोड़ा सा लुक. शी वाज वेरी, मतलब शी कैन लाइक कम इनटू एन इंडियन फिल्म इजीली, मतलब ऐसा है. ऑब्वियसली वो इंडियन नहीं है.
Imagine a Maharashtrian singing to some Puerto Rican song. Yeah, it would be amazing.
But yeah, I mean all the character, like एक तो वो उसका जो उसनावी जो नाम का जो सीन था ना, वो मेरे को इतना हंसी आया.
Yeah, I love that scene. Yeah.
वो आ रहा था, उसने शिप पे देखा.
Yeah, I love that. Yeah.
और उसका नाम बढ़ गया उसनावी. दैट वाज लाइक हिलेरियस. बहुत, मतलब मैं बार बार उसका जब नाम आ रहा था तो आई वाज लाफिंग. बट या आई मीन दैट कैरेक्टर आल्सो, ही इज ट्रेडिशनल सेंस में, इफ यू सी दैट ही इज नॉट लाइक अ हीरो मटेरियल ऐसे देखा जाए तो, राइट. बट व्हेन यू ऐसा लगता है, बट देन ही suits the character so well, so that's why they've taken him, and that is why they're true to the characters and they've taken those characters. So yeah, that way I mean I enjoyed it. Us hisab se the characters, the way the community was done and all of that. But yeah, I mean some wo parallel tracks the, uske love song chal rahe hain, like his best friend, uska love interest और वो लोग के characters का कुछ तो songs चल रहा, right?
Yeah.
Those were like, I don't know, too much. हाँ, एक song was very interesting when they are actually standing in the balcony and they just start dancing on the wall of the building.
Yeah.
That was really nice. वो perspective change होता है, and so that was very interesting.
Overall, I think if someone who likes musicals and who likes Lin-Manuel should at least give it a shot for sure.
Absolutely. And इसमें, I mean, strong characters, singing well, nice songs, and so all of that is nice. मतलब वो सुन के भी ऐसा लगता है there is meaning to it, right? When that his love interest who has her whole passion for art and all of that, वो जो उसका जो ambition होता है, उसका भी जो song है where she runs through the road and all of that, dream में, all of that is very very nicely shot and done. But yeah, as वही it somehow kind of कभी ऐसा लगता है कि यार ये क्यों आया, ये फिल्म में नहीं होता. I would have seen it as a video piece, maybe I would have enjoyed it, but in the film it's like breaking the main arc of the film. तो वो जो 2 hours 10 minutes का जो film है, if that would have been like 140 or something, then I would have probably loved the film. वैसा. And I think musicals के लिए it should be around 145 and not more than that. मुझे ऐसा feeling आता है. I don't know if you feel the same. I mean stage पे I've seen. I went for 2 musicals. I've seen Wicked and I've seen Lion King. So I mean those are like that's a completely different spectacle. Like watching it, things happen like that on stage. I mean their production value and I mean it's insane. So वो उसी में you are like the spectacle, you are like blown away, right? But यहाँ पे it's like the world, a film world that you expect and you have seen, और उसके अंदर how grand can you make it? तो उसमें वो थोड़ा सा मेरे को लगता है बहुत ज़्यादा drag नहीं होना चाहिए.
Just recently I read a article that was someone was interviewing Paul Thomas Anderson, and he said that I think the ideal length of a film should be 2 hours. And
Okay.
it is funny that he said that because none of his films are 2 hours. All of his films, all of his films are 3.5 hours, and he said, but he did say, credit to him, he did say that none of my films are 2 hours, but that is the runtime that I ideally feel that a film should have. That is a 2 hour.
It is 2 hours. इसका जो लिन मैनुअल is on a good streak, I think. ये COVID, this film was hit by COVID. तब उसके बाद they kind of made it, finished it after
Yeah.
the crisis, and they were allowed to shoot and all of that. But इसके he's he's a writer of this film, right? He's not directed it, but
No.
इसका उसका एक directorial film आया है अभी, Tick Tick Boom, which we should probably watch. It's supposed to be really, really good with amazing performances by Andrew Garfield and others. So
Yeah.
I think we should watch that as well.
This
and
will-
you will, of course, love it.
Yeah, I was just about to say this will become a podcast dedicated to Lin-Manuel and musicals.
Yeah.
I would love to watch it for sure. I will definitely watch it.
Yeah. No, we will definitely watch it. Will we talk about it on this podcast? We never know.
We
but
don't
know.
Yeah.
So, but you guys out there, do check out In the Heights as well as Tick Tick Boom. In the Heights, yeah, if you like musicals like Vivek, you will love it. Even as a film lover, you will enjoy parts of it. You will enjoy the dip in culture. All of that you will enjoy. So do catch it. I mean, it's worth your watch. Definitely.
And follow our channel on Spotify, so we will do some singing and dancing for you. We promise.
And let us know some films to do. We give you recommendations. You also give us some recommendations. We would want to watch them, and any genre, not particularly musicals. And we would want to invite you also to have a discussion on the same. And follow us. Click करो भाई. Spotify वगैरह पे, गाना पे, Instagram पे, YouTube पे, especially Spotify और गाना पे. All right. Bye guys.
Bye.